You can say that if you want. Hello everyone, you're watching another video by Newton Obvious 2. This is Christmas with Jamie, day 17, yes. And we're joined with...
Train Spotting Zenna.
And...
At... Penisland. I mean, Green Island.
Aye. You wish.
Green Island.
You wish, Alex. So we're going to be seeing the steam train here, which as of recording, it has just left Lanyon 5 minutes ago, so we should probably head up to the other end of the platform as soon as possible.
I seen it at Dargan and Jordanstown.
I know. I'll check out train videos at NI's video later. So see you when the trains come. Okay, we're off to a good start. 4,000. Three car.
Two walkthroughs pelting over the viaduct from the platform at Jordanstown.
Oh. What viaduct? Oh, Bleach Green, yes, that's right.
I couldn't tell what sets. I couldn't tell what sets.
You know there's two rail locations called Bleach Green?
Yes, there is.
Aye, one in Newton Abbey and one in Dunadry.
I couldn't...
You'll know if you're in Newton Abbey if it looks like a plate of spaghetti. You know, because it's all complicated and fiddly, and you'll know you're in Dunadry if it's just a small housing estate.
But here, I'm gonna film the steam, but
yeah, obviously you're gonna film the steam.
Here,
1 second. Stand there. What? Wait, has he spawned? Wait, hang on a second. Oh my god. Oh my god, he spawned. Give us a high five, lad. Ah, yeah.
Alex McFarland has arrived.
McFarland? That's not...
Alex, you look forward to seeing
Hello.
You, Alex, we're literally filming for
I'm sick. It's only a calf. We thought we would hear the steam for a minute, but turns out it was just a stupid out 3000 class. It did sound like the steam, didn't it? He's unresponsive. Where are you taking us to?
The black person across the road.
No.
To KFC.
Huh?
Black people have a fascination with chicken.
Oh, right. Here comes 131, I can hear it, but I didn't see it. I'm fine. My god, it's so slow. Well, yeah, he'll be happy to see you again, Charlie. Yes, he messaged the group. Oh, so who's calling me now? Ah, here we are. Oh, listen to that. Hey, John! I know, I saw him. I saw him with his R&B hoodie. I know, I saw. He waved his head out and stuff. 3,000.
I thought this was 3,000.
Them boys were looking at you so awkwardly.
Nice.
Oh, right. I thought the last digit was 5 there.
What song that was that?
It's not. It's oh yes, it's 310. Nice.
That's Alex Forsyth's favourite 3,000.
It's my favourite 3,000.
What did you say you were coming like a treatment in school?
I'm being the chill guy.
What?
Like,
I'm
I'm basically like him in, when it comes to talking to people in school. Not like before. Like, whenever people come up to me, they're like, right, Jimmy, what's the crack? They sometimes offer me a high five or a fist pump, and I start having a full-on conversation with them, and it's just amazing, you know? I just like talking to people. Well, it depends who it is, obviously.
I thought you were lonely in school.
I was in like year 10, but since year 11, no.
See if he does a tune. Oh, it looks like there's another driver with him. No, there isn't.
And that's going to be all for today's episode of Christmas with Jamie, day 17. I'll see you tomorrow for Christmas with Jamie, day 18. And goodbye.
Are we going to the church now?
I don't know.